Have you ever wondered why some small businesses always have a line of customers while others struggle to bring people back, even after offering discounts? The secret isn't just in having a good product. It's in building a strategy to secure loyal and repeat customers. In today's video, I'm going to break down proven customer loyalty strategies that will help your small shop, local business, or retail store not only attract customers, but keep them coming back again and again. Whether you're a shopkeeper, running a small clothing store, grocery shop, or even a service-based business, this video will give you the step-by-step playbook for repeat business success. So grab a notebook, because these tips could transform your business from surviving to thriving. Let's start with a simple truth: repeat customers are the backbone of any successful small business. Here's the data. Studies show that acquiring a new customer costs 5x more than retaining an existing one. Loyal customers are 67% more likely to spend more on your products compared to first-time buyers. And, according to Bain & Company, even a 5% increase in customer retention can boost profits by 25% to 95%. Think about it. Would you rather spend hours trying to convince new customers every day, or have a steady stream of people who already trust you, come back often, and bring their friends? That's the power of customer loyalty. And the good news is, you can build it with the right strategies. The journey to a loyal customer starts from the very first moment they walk into your shop. Warm welcome, a simple smile, a friendly greeting, or remembering a customer's name goes a long way. People may forget what they bought, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. Clean and organized store. Your shop should look inviting, clean, and easy to navigate. First impressions decide if someone will ever come back. Quick service. If you're slow, disorganized, or inattentive, chances are the customer won't give you a second chance. Train yourself or your staff to focus on customer experience, not just sales. The first impression is the seed of long-term loyalty. Build personal connections. For small shops, this is your biggest advantage over big brands and supermarkets. Remember details: if someone buys baby products, ask how their child is doing the next time. If someone prefers a specific brand, make sure you stock it. Use names, address customers by their name, it creates instant familiarity. Celebrate occasions, wish your regular customers on Eid, Christmas, New Year, or even their birthdays if you know them. Keep a small notebook or digital file with your customer notes. Small details build big loyalty. Loyalty is built on trust. If customers know they'll get the same quality every time, they'll come back. Consistent products, don't compromise on quality. If customers get fresh, reliable items once and stale ones the next time, you've lost them. Honest pricing, don't overcharge loyal customers. They notice. Transparency builds trust. Reliability, if you say you'll restock in 2 days, make sure you do it. Think long-term. A one-time profit from tricking a customer is nothing compared to years of repeat purchases. Offer loyalty programs and rewards. This is one of the most powerful strategies for repeat customers. People love rewards. Loyalty cards offer a buy 3, get 1 free system. Works great for coffee shops, bakeries, and salons. Discounts for regulars, provide a small discount or exclusive deals for repeat customers. Referral bonuses, give customers a reward when they bring a friend. Rewards don't always have to be discounts. They can be priority service, free samples, or early access to new arrivals. Use social media to stay connected. Even if you run a local shop, digital presence matters. WhatsApp broadcast lists, send your regulars updates about new products or special offers. Facebook and Instagram stories. Post daily to remind people you exist. Google Business Profile, helps you appear when people search for shops near them. Use social media not just to sell, but to build community. Share tips, engage with comments, and highlight loyal customers in posts. Create an experience, not just a transaction. People don't come back just for products, they come back for experiences. In-store ambience, play light music, keep good lighting, and maintain a comfortable environment. Personalized shopping, suggest items based on what they previously bought. Surprise and delight, give small freebies or handwritten thank you notes. If you own a stationery shop, slip in a free pen with a big purchase. That tiny gesture can win you a customer for life. If you have employees, they are the face of your business. Politeness and patience, a rude staff member can destroy customer loyalty instantly. Problem solving, teach them how to handle complaints with empathy. Knowledgeable, staff should know about the products and guide customers confidently. Treat your employees well, they'll pass on that positivity to your customers. Customers love when their voice is heard. Feedback box, keep a small suggestion box or digital feedback form. Ask directly, politely ask regulars, is there anything we should improve? Act quickly, if someone suggests a product or points out an issue, address it fast. When customers see their suggestions implemented, they feel valued and become loyal advocates. Handle complaints like a pro. No matter how good you are, mistakes happen. But handling them well can actually increase loyalty. Listen first, don't interrupt or get defensive. Apologize sincerely, even if it wasn't your fault, show empathy. Offer solutions, refund, replacement, or discount, solve the problem quickly. A clothing store owner once gave a free replacement for a torn dress without blaming the customer. That customer not only returned but brought 3 friends next time. Build a local community around your business. Small businesses thrive when they become part of the community. Sponsor local events, even small sponsorships build visibility. Collaborate with other shops, offer bundle deals with nearby stores. Be helpful, support local causes, customers notice your values. A small bakery giving leftover bread to local shelters built such goodwill that the entire neighborhood became loyal customers. Loyalty doesn't mean customers will never leave, you need to keep things exciting. Introduce new products, regularly add fresh items to keep customers curious. Seasonal offers, Eid discounts, Christmas specials, or back-to-school sales. Exclusive member perks, make your loyal customers feel special with VIP offers. Surprise is a key ingredient in loyalty. Keep giving customers a reason to return. Track customer data and buying patterns. This sounds technical, but even small shopkeepers can do it. Simple record keeping, note down what your top 20 customers usually buy. Track sales, see which products repeat customers prefer and stock more of them. Use technology, free apps like Google Sheets or POS systems can make this easy. A small grocery owner noticed his regulars always bought rice every 10 days. He started offering a 10-day rice package and locked those customers in. Let's quickly recap the strategies to secure loyal and repeat customers. 1. Make a strong first impression. 2. Build personal connections. 3. Deliver consistent quality. 4. Offer loyalty rewards. 5. Stay connected through social media. 6. Create memorable experiences. 7. Train your staff. 8. Collect and act on feedback. 9. Handle complaints professionally. 10. Build community engagement. 11. Keep innovating. 12. Track customer patterns. If you apply even half of these strategies, you'll see a major shift in your business. Customers will not just buy once, they'll keep coming back, bringing friends, and turning your shop into a trusted name in the community. Now, imagine this, a year from now, your shop has doubled its regular customers. You walk in and recognize familiar faces smiling back at you. Your sales are steady, your stress is lower, and your business is finally growing the way you dreamed. That's the power of customer loyalty. So tell me in the comments, which of these strategies will you apply first? And if you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with other small business owners who want to grow. Because remember, it's not about selling once, it's about building relationships for life. Thank you for watching.